Hey everyone! Today, we are diving into the OPPO Find N6, a smartphone that's all about pushing the boundaries of what a foldable device can be. It's not just about the specs, it's about the experience, the design, and the innovation that OPPO brings to the table. So, let's get into it. First things first, the OPPO Find N6 is a beast in terms of design. It's ultra-flat, ultra-flexible, and ultra-powerful. The second-generation Titanium Flexion Hinge is a marvel of engineering, offering precision in every fold. The industry-first 3D liquid printing and the Clover Balance pivot create a flatter display and a shallower crease, ensuring a smooth and confident folding experience that's built to last. Now, let's talk about the display. The cover screen and inner screen both have impressive brightness levels, with the cover screen maxing out at 1800 nits and the inner screen at 2500 nits. But it's not just about the numbers, it's about the experience. The auto-smoothing Flex Glass is a game-changer, resisting impact and pressure while gently smoothing itself over time. It's like having a phone that bounces back, making the experience cleaner, smoother, and more refined. Moving on to productivity, the OPPO Find N6 is a powerhouse. The Pocket AI Workstation is a game-changer for multitasking. You can open multiple apps, resize windows freely, and switch between multi-window and split view with a simple gesture. And let's not forget the OPPO AI Pen, the first AI stylus engineered for foldables. It's like having a creative accelerator right in your pocket, making it easier to think and ink instantly. Now, onto the camera. The OPPO Find N6 is equipped with a Hasselblad master camera system, featuring a 50MP ultra-wide camera and a 70mm periscope telephoto lens with 120x super zoom. The 200MP Hasselblad ultra-clear camera, with a 23mm focal length and OIS ensures every shot is crystal clear, true to color, and rich in depth. And with features like Hasselblad Portrait Mode and AI Portrait Glow, your portraits will be balanced, flattering, and effortlessly beautiful. Under the hood, the OPPO Find N6 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 with a 7-core CPU and the Trinity engine. It's a performance powerhouse, delivering blazing speed, fluid graphics, and smarter AI. The 6000 mAh silicon carbon battery provides all-day endurance, and with 80W wired and 50W wireless charging, you'll be back up and running in no time. So, what's my take on the OPPO Find N6? Well, it's a smartphone that truly pushes the boundaries of what a foldable device can be. It's not just about the specs, it's about the experience, the design, and the innovation that OPPO brings to the table. The attention to detail, from the hinge to the camera, makes it a device that's both powerful and refined. So, if you're in the market for a foldable smartphone, the OPPO Find N6 is definitely one to consider. It's a device that combines cutting-edge technology with a user-friendly experience, making it a top choice for those who want the best of both worlds. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this breakdown helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights and reviews. See you next time.